Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary and welcome to another Craft Day Wednesday, where every Wednesday I post a new video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I made this. You can call it a storage box, a jewelry box. Haven't decided what I want it to be exactly, but we're going to be making it. So basically what you're going to need for this project, we're going to set this out of the way. You're going to need standard popsicle sticks. I have hinges that I got from Lowe's. If you're going to use wood glue, if you can use wood glue or hot glue. Today we're going to be using hot glue, but you can use wood glue. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and turn my camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing and get like an overhead view. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my camera down. So right there. So basically I've already did my base, and what I did was I took popsicle sticks and then I glued a stick across, and this is gonna be the start of our storage box. So now that you have that done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 more popsicle sticks and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna glue them across like this. So we're just going to put a dab of glue here and here. And then we're just going to go ahead and glue these into place. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Here and here. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little more glue right there. And then we're just going to go ahead and glue these down in place. Just like that. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to continue. We're going to glue the opposite way. So here, 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 here. And we're just going to continue to build. I'm going to push this that way a little bit. And stick this down on here. And we're just going to go ahead and build across. Oh, that one's crooked, so we can't use that. And that's what you want to look out for too also. Is sticks that's kind of like warped or crooked or bent in a little bit. You don't want anything like that. So, I think it was Monday, Memorial Day. By the way, how was everybody's Memorial Day? I basically spent time with my mother and father-in-law. They are here to visit. They're visiting us from out of town. So we went to Natchitoches, Louisiana. That was fun. We took a boat ride, a riverboat ride to be exact, and that was my first time doing that. I've been to Natchitoches 3 times, but we never did the boat ride. And there was some entertainment on the boat. I will try to get that video uploaded for y'all if you want to see it. And I did take a tour. I did take a video of us being on the boat ride. That video is already posted if you want to check that out. No pressure. But I had an awesome time. I got a chance to spend it with my in-laws, and I don't see them often because they, like I mentioned, they don't live here. They live up north. But it was fun getting out of, you know, just to get out and enjoy the scenery. I was a little nervous at first for the boat ride. A lot of people don't know this about me, but fun fact, it's not so fun. I have panic attacks. So yeah, and I was able to get through it. But yeah, once I overcame that, I was fine. It was okay. Yeah, but the guy that was the little old guy that was on there on the boat entertaining us all with his music, I think he was playing a banjo, and he was actually pretty good. He was 81, or he is 81, and yeah, I took a little video of him doing that. If it lets me upload, I will be more than happy to upload it so y'all can see it. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was hoping to see some alligators. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for, but that didn't happen. Maybe next time I can get some footage and then share with everyone that wants to see it, of course. Okay, we're gonna grab another glue, some more glue, and we're just gonna go ahead and continue to build up. That's crooked, so we're gonna move that one. And I'm just gonna take some time out to show y'all what when I say crooked, this is what I mean. You see how this is, let me see if I can turn this, how it's not straight, it's up and down. Yeah, that wouldn't work, so we can't use those, or to throw everything off. So yeah, so basically what we're doing, we're just going to go ahead and I'm just going to build up a couple more layers. Maybe 2 more after this one, or maybe 1, I don't know yet. I think maybe we'll do 2 more layers. So we'll do a layer. This will be the first one. And I'll put it here. Let's stick that one here. And then we're going to go ahead and do 1 more. Here. And here. And then we'll go ahead and do our lid. So we're going to stick our lid down on there. And there we have that. Now, I'm going to slide this to the side. This is what it's looking like. And I'm going to slide this to the side. And then I am going to go ahead and we're going to do the lid. And it's going to be 10 sticks. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're going to take this one out because this one is crooked. So we can't use that. We can't use that one. Here we go. That one's got something messed up on it. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to do is I am going to cut a little bit of this off with my shears. And if you don't have these, you can use scissors because they work great too. And now I'm going to cut another stick. So I'll have 2. And once again, we're just going to make sure they're even cut. Now I'm going to take some glue. We're going to stick it across here. And to keep my sticks from moving so they stay even, I'm going to go ahead and take my hand and I'm going to put it on top, and I'm just going to stick this down on there. That way I could keep my sticks from moving around on me. And they kind of did anyway, but it's fine. And then we're going to go ahead, and I need to put just a little bit of glue on this one, and we're going to stick this right down on it in place, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our other stick, and we're going to go ahead and put this right down here. And this is our lid. We're going to bring our box back, and we're going to take our, this is the storage box, and here is the lid. And what we're going to do, we're just going to slide that right on there. We're going to see if it's the perfect fit, and it fits nicely in there. So basically what we're going to do now is we are going to take our hinges, and we're going to take them and we're going to put them right down in place. So we're going to take our hot glue, and we're just going to put some hot glue on here, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to put a little bit of hot glue, and we're just going to go ahead and stick this right down on it, just like this. Pull it up a little, and we're just going to give it a little time to dry. This is what we have so far, and now at this point it should open just like this. So it should open and close. And this is what you should end up with. And I made a couple different ones. I made 3, and I am going to be giving one of these away to my niece. And I'm going to set these to the side, and we're going to talk a little bit about this one. Now, when I make these, I choose not to paint them. I choose to keep them in their natural state, because if my buyers want to paint them or do whatever or decorate them any way they want to, they can. And I like to put little symbols and hearts and stuff on them, but that's just me. But yeah, so that is how you make a storage / jewelry box, or whatever you want to name it. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead, and I am going to turn my camera back up a little bit so y'all can see me. Hi. So yeah, and that was it for this video. And if you like it, please give me a like and a thumbs up. And if you want to see me do any other type of video other than craft, just let me know in the comment box below. I've been asked to do another Q&A or an assumption, which basically that turned into a Q&A. So if y'all want to see me do anything else like that, just ask me some questions in the comment box below, or you can send them to me through Facebook Messenger, or any other way you choose to. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope y'all have a nice day, and bye.